Hi, my name is Peter Herku. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that you could increase your productivity by 30% without working harder? Or you could save time by 20 to 30, 40% even, just by looking at your task and your activities and your steps you take in the process of your work, and taking out steps that don't add value to your customer, to your colleague, to the end user of your work. Why would you do that? Because it saves you time, and it saves time for your customer and improves the quality of your work. Just imagine if you are looking for a new job opportunity, or you would like to have a career chance in your current company. Who would be employed? Sorry, those who are just doing their work, or those who are doing their work and looking every day for new possibilities and solutions to increase speed, reduce lead time of the work, and improve quality. You can do that. You can learn based on Lean Six Sigma, and I have summarized only a few practical tools from a huge arsenal of techniques and tools from Lean and Six Sigma. I only took to 20% of those tools that can be applied in 80% of situations. So if you want to take your chance and improve your value in the marketplace, increase your chance to get a better job and earn more, you can learn those practical methods at herku.com, herku.com /greenbelt. So don't wait. There are many chances that you can improve your work, and you can increase your value in the marketplace, because you will be only you will be in a selective few who are able to improve their work and not just carrying it out. So look at www.herku.com /greenbelt and join one of our plans. Thank you.